4 people accused of the killing of 7 people in Diepsloot have been granted bail. However, one of the other accused was denied bail due to contravening the Immigration Act. They are facing 5 counts of murder, 5 counts of attempted murder, assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, kidnapping and malicious damage to property. The 7 people were burned to death in 2 separate attacks in the township earlier this month. The trial is expected to start on the 7th of March 2024. Our reporter Kelebogile Botlholo has that story.
We are back at the Randburg Magistrates Court where the 5 men accused of killing 5 people in a mob justice incident in Diepsloot were waiting to hear whether they would be granted bail or not. And 4 of the accused have been granted bail. Accused number 1, 2, 3 and 5 were granted bail. However, accused number 4, bail was denied due to his contravention of the Immigration Act. And here to tell us more about how everything went down today, here is one of the accused's defense, Mr. Baloyi.
Yes, as I indicated the other day, we were expecting our clients to be released on bail. We're not at a stage yet where their guilt or otherwise stands to be determined. We still have a long way to go, but we believe that given the opportunity, our clients will eventually prove to everybody that they were not there. Although I understand the onus is on them, it's not on them to prove their innocence. It's the state's duty to do that. But yes, our clients will be able to satisfy the court that at the end of the day they are innocent of all the charges leveled against them.
And with accused number 4, was it really expected that he would not be granted bail?
Look, in regard to that, we sort of expected that, and I think a clear distinction must be struck. It must be made clear that he's now in custody. He's been denied bail not because necessarily of the offense alleged charges against him. It's because of the fact that he's not, legal in the country, and that is the part that still needs to be taken care of. And we believe that him being kept in custody does not preclude him from making sure that his papers are in order. And once that happens, the matter can always be brought back to court on new facts, and he will definitely be granted bail as well.
The magistrate did say that she is aware that this was a mob justice incident and that there's a possibility that the accused or all the suspects may possibly not know each other. Do you think that this will affect her judgment with the trial on the 7th of March?
The good thing about the bail court, it's not the same court that's going to do the trial of the accused persons. So this matter appeared in this court today solely for the purposes of bail application. Hence, it has been referred back to the original court for trial. So that is done so that the lines are not blurred, because the magistrate that hears the bail application will be privy to certain facts that the trial court may not be privy to. So yeah, I think that would be dealt with in due course.
Thank you so much, Mr. Baloyi. That was Mr. Baloyi, defense for accused number 1, 2, and 5. So right now we do know that all accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 have been granted bail. However, accused number 4 was bail was denied, and all of the accused will now appear back in court on the 7th of March and to face trial and to see whether they actually found guilty of the crime.